Hey there everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing really well watching this today. This is going to be a cozy autumn clean with me and restock the house with me. I'm going to be focusing upstairs in today's video. In my last autumn cleaning video, it was focused here downstairs. So today's is upstairs, but also with a whole house restock, which is how I'm going to start the video. So first I'm going to restock all of our laundry bits and bobs, starting with the dryer sheets, which I'm just going to pop in this little storage box here. Next, I'm going to top up the softener. This is the new Lenore Frosted Eucalyptus fragrance, and it is so cozy and autumn winter vibes. Absolutely love it. And then I'm going to top up the stain remover powder as well. I'm also just going to replenish the downstairs toilet with a new little, what are these called? I can never remember what these are called. The little fragrance pod things by Febreze. This is the spiced apple, so nice and wintry, autumny scents coming from this. And I'm going to pop it in the downstairs loo so that that all smells nice and cozy in there. Next, I'm going to restock the boys' bathroom bits. I'm just going to open up each of these bottles and fill them back up with shampoo and bubbles and body wash so that they are all nice and full. I'm also just going to restock the fresh fruit. I'm going to pop them each in these wonderful little baskets. These are so good because as they have holes in them, you can wash the fruit in the baskets, and then when they dry, you can just pop these straight in the fridge. And the final restock job is just to restock the pasta here. As you can see, I am missing a couple of labels from my pasta jars. They are currently in the deliveries somewhere in the Royal Mail delivery service, on its way to my house, I hope, very soon.
Time right now.
I'm also just going to fill up my Dishmatic scrubbing brush because I'm going to be using this to clean the family bathroom upstairs. So I'm just going to fill this up with some nice winter scented washing up liquid.
In this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will have.
As I said, I am focusing my cleaning upstairs today, so I am focusing mainly in the family bathroom first. So I'm going to take out the towels and put them in a pile to be washed. I'm going to take all of the toys out of the bath. This is the family bathroom, so this is where the boys have their bath time. So there are endless thousands of toys in here to clear out first. Then I'm going to peel the little non-slip mats off the bottom. If you saw my autumn Poundland haul, you would have seen these, and I really rate them. I'm enjoying using them so far. I'm going to just pull each of them off, and then I'm going to put them back in the bath upside down because I'm going to keep them in there so that I can clean them at the same time as I clean the bath. So I'm going to fill the bath with some warm water with a little bit of disinfectant, as you saw there, some concentrated disinfectant. And then this is a solution that I'm going to use to clean the entire bath and also the non-slip pads as well. Each non-slip pad I am just going to stick up on the tiles so that they can drip dry to avoid any mold building. And then with the solution that's left in the bath, I'm going to use this to just clean all around the edges, the sides, the tiles, the taps, everything.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we
Onto the sink now, and I'm just going to clear the surface, and then I'm going to be using a spray. I think this is the Cif bathroom spray, I believe, with a pink cloth, because pink for the sink, don't forget. And I'm going to use this to just rub the solution around, making sure I get off all those tough little dried on toothpaste marks that my son loves to leave on the sink. Now the boys' toilet, which obviously always needs a really good scrub, so I'm going to put in lots of toilet bleach, and I'm going to leave that to sit while I clean the rest of the toilet using a blue for the loo. Thank you, Emily Norris. I cannot clean without thinking pink for the sink and blue for the loo now. I'm going to use this cloth to just wipe down, first of all, the exterior of the toilet, then I will open the toilet up and spray the bathroom spray and use this to scrub the toilet seat as well. I'm also just going to spray some extra spray around the bottom of the toilet on the floor and give that a really good scrub, because if you have boys, you will know exactly why I need to do this. Now I've given the toilet bleach a minute to work its magic. I'm going to go in with a good old-fashioned wire toilet brush, and I'm going to give it a really good scrub all the way up in the corners, in the little crevices, right down deep as well, making sure that I get everything cleaned off. And I'm going to finish it by misting it with the Microban 24-hour disinfectant, just to make sure it is squeaky clean. Into the boys' shower now, and the quickest, easiest way to do this is using my Dishmatic soap dispensing scrubbing brush that you saw me filling up earlier. I'm going to use this to scrub down all of the shower screens. It's really good at getting off any of those tough little watermarks, because it's slightly abrasive, not too abrasive, but a little bit on the sponge. It can just work those hard watermarks off. Once I've given all of the shower screens a good scrub, I will just get the shower head, rinse it off, and it's that easy. Finished. Finally, in the bathroom, I'm going to use the Flash Speed Mop. So I'm going to open it up and get the pad out of here. I'm going to attach the wet pad to my Speed Mop, and then I'm going to give the bathroom floor a really good scrub. Next place I want to focus is the boys' bedrooms. I'm starting in Cooper's bedroom. First of all, I just need to clear the floor of all toys. Obviously, there are always toys everywhere, so I'm just going to clear this up, and I'm going to use the Flash dust magnet. So you are experiencing this the same time as me. I've never used this before, so I'm unpacking it with you and learning what to do. Honestly, guys, it took me a good 5 minutes to work out how to put the actual duster on the holder thing. I could not work it out. It took me ages, but once I had worked it out, fair enough, it was really quick and easy. It goes up the back like that, and then you sort of fluff it up, and it's supposed to be really good at attracting the dust. So I gave it a go. As you can see, there was loads of dust on here, and to be fair, it was incredibly quick, incredibly easy. No dust was flying around. It was really stuck on the duster, and I couldn't sense any flying into the air or being attracted to other things, which can often happen when you dust. So to be fair, I'm really impressed with the Flash dust magnet. And into Leo's room, same again. I'm just going to tidy up the toys first, and then I'm going to get out the Flash dust magnet again, and I'm going to just try and dust the areas in Leo's room. Now, he has got so many bits and bobs, so I wasn't sure how this was going to go. I didn't do a proper, pick up everything. However, this Flash duster is really good at getting into crevices because it can shrink like really small, and it can squeeze down tiny little crevices. So I actually found, because he's got bits everywhere, it was really good for getting in and around things, which was a nice surprise.
So I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you.
Into our bedroom now. I'm just going to make the bed. I didn't do this morning. I guess it was just one of those mornings. So I'm making the bed now.
Everything I can for you.
And I'm going to give it a little spritz of the Fabulosa Room and Fabric Refresher. This is in, I think it's called Apple Strudel. Very beautiful autumn scent. Really, really cozy, lovely vibes. I love this scent in Fabulosa. Then I'm going to use the Flash dust magnet to do our bedside tables. It's still going strong. I haven't had to change the head. It's still attracting the dust really well.
To catch you if you fall, and deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need.
I also managed to use it on both of our windowsills, which really needed a good dust, and it still managed to pick everything up. Oh my gosh, guys, look, I nearly died when I saw this. Look at the size of that. I mean, that's a good advert for the Flash duster because it picked up this colossal beast, which I very bravely folded up and put in the bin. Oh my gosh, it was huge. But then, anyway, then I moved onto the mirror, which I just sprayed with the Fabulosa glass cleaner and gave a good old buff with a fresh, dry cloth.
I will do everything I can.
I also used the same glass cleaner and cloth to just quickly do the inside of our windows as well, because I love to see that beautiful view, all nice and clear. Last things last, I'm going to go into my upstairs cupboard, get out my upstairs hoover, and I'm going to start hoovering the carpets. I'm going to start at the back, I'm going to start in Leo's room, and then I'm going to work my way through the landing into Cooper's room and into our bedroom. I haven't done the other bedroom, and I haven't done the dressing room, I haven't done the ensuite. There's a few rooms I haven't done. I've really just focused my time on the rooms that we use the most upstairs, because when you haven't got all the time in the world, that's just what you have to do, isn't it? But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video and my latest Motivation Monday video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.
Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I